Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today our topic is about speech recognition. Speech recognition is an interdisciplinary subfield of computer science and computational linguistics that develops methodologies and technologies that enable the recognition and translation of spoken language into text by computers. It is also known as automatic speech recognition, computer speech recognition, or speech-to-text. It incorporates knowledge and research in the computer science, linguistics, and computer engineering fields. The reverse process is speech synthesis. Some speech recognition system require solely, also called enrollment, where an individual speaker reads text or associated vocabulary into the system. The system analyzes the person's specific voice and uses it to fine-tune the recognition of that person's speech, resulting in increased accuracy. Systems that do not use training are called speaker-independent systems. Systems that use training are called speaker-dependent. Speech recognition applications include voice user interface such as voice dialing, example called home, call routing, example I would like to make a collect call, domotic appliance control, search keywords, example find a podcast where particular words were spoken. Simple data entry, example entering a credit card number. Preparation of structured documents, example are radiology report determining speaker characteristic. Speech-to-text processing, example word processor or emails. And aircraft usually term direct voice input. The term voice recognition or speaker identification refer to identifying the speaker rather than what they are saying. Recognizing the speaker can simplify the task of translating speech in systems that leave being trained on a specific person's voice, or it can be used to authenticate or verify the identity of a speaker as part of a security process. From the technology perspective, speech recognition has a long history with several waves of major innovations. Most recently, the field has benefited from advances in deep learning and big data. The advances are evidenced not only by the surge of academic papers published in the field, but more importantly by the worldwide industry adoption of a variety of deep learning methods in designing and developing speech recognition systems. The key areas of growth were vocabulary size, speakers independence, and processing speed. 1952, three Bell Labs researchers Stephen Pelashik, R. Bidolpik, and K. H. Davish built a system called Audrey for single speaker digit recognition. Their system located the formats and the power spectrum of each utterance.